How to add Google Clock on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search. Click on keyboard and search Google Clock. After click on Google Clock, you will see Google Clock is here. Install Google Clock. After install Google Clock, go back to home screen. If you want to add Google Clock, so just click and hold on screen and click on widgets. After click on widgets, scroll down and click on Google Clock and you will see widgets is here. If you want to add, and click on add, you will see Google Clock is add on your home screen. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.